Manufacturing as we know it today has been around for just over a century, and in that time, the one constant has been complexity. Managing complexity and doing so in a way that maintains profitability has always been the difference between ideas that succeed and those that fail. In the past, only large companies could make sense of an avalanche of data, but that's different today. From multinationals to startups, software tools are now available to integrate multiple tasks through the design and production process and make use of the vast volume of data generated by manufacturing processes. And it all begins with the virtual digital model of the manufacturing process. I had a discussion about this important issue with Michael Buckley, SolidWorks manufacturing expert with Dassault Systèmes. Take a look. When I hear about virtual twin, especially from SMEs, the pushback I get often is, I don't have time and I can't afford to go down there and manually input all the details I need to do to actually make a high fidelity twin. And then at the same time, it's just too expensive. The platform's too expensive. The cost of implementing is too expensive, basically, and I can't do it. I'm gonna have to wait until an affordable solution comes up. Then on the flip side, I hear individuals that have adopted it who say, it's actually not expensive compared to incrementally using 5 or 6 different platforms to do various things anyway. And your equipment's generating a slew of data anyway, which you're ignoring. So why not pick it up if it's lying there?
You know, and that's an interesting thing. And I think back to 2 things. One is experience I was part of, and one is, the normal thing of if I was back in the days of the horseless carriage, right? Why would I go buy a car? Because I already have 3 or 4 horses. I don't have time to mess with learning about a car and all those things, right? And if Henry Ford had listened to everyone about his car, they would have just made faster horses, right? So there's that scenario that we live in manufacturing. And then I remember being part of the demo way back in the day. And this guy saw a demo of SolidWorks. He's like, yeah, that Windows stuff, it's finally catching on. And this was in 2002. So, if you say you're too busy and you say that you can't adopt it, unfortunately, there's going to come a crossroad where it's going to impact your business to where either then you're going to have to pay triple to do it in a short period of time, or someone that has already adopted is going to take your business from that, not to be doom and gloom, but you can't keep up with the way that manufacturing is going to go to maintain profit without looking at adopting this technology, because the people that adopt it will be able to make smarter decisions faster, which will increase their profit, lower their cash to cash cycle, and allow them to win more business.